Okay, we are at google.com. Now, what we're going to do today is we're going to learn how to do a local listing. Now, what is a local listing? Well, right here I typed in a city, state, and the service, merchant services. Now I click search. You get A and B right here. These are two local listings. They come up before natural listings. This is a very beneficial form of marketing. Now, how we do this is we're going to go click on sign in, and we're going to click on create an account if we don't have one, or log in if we already do. Okay, so I'm going to click on create an account, and so this will walk you through the steps here. You're going to enter in your existing email address, choose a password, re-enter the password. You're going to put your birth date in here and choose a correct format to make sure that it's done exactly like this, otherwise it won't be accepted. And you will also type in this CAPTCHA code. If it's not legible, you're just going to have to go through it and hit accept, and it'll regenerate the page. You'll have to re-enter your password in again and then retype one, and hopefully that one is more visible and something you can see a little bit easier, because some of these will come out and they'll be really jumbled together and they're very hard to view. This one's a lot easier. So now you want to scroll through this terms and agreement. That's also something that if you do not do, it will it can refresh the page and make you do it again. Click accept and create my account. Now when I click on Google Accounts right here, I can go back to this page, but you are going to get a verification email that's going to verify that you just set up this account, because they just want to make sure that you're not spamming. So now once you get back to this page, you're going to log in. I am going to enter in the login information that I had previously set up, and I will click sign in. Now once I'm in here, I can see my existing products, and as you can see, I already set up a local listing, but you won't have that when you first set up your account. So what you're going to do here is click on more, and you scroll down and you're going to click on maps. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to see this area right here. It says put your business on Google Maps. Now that's exactly what you want to do. Now what it's going to do here, it's going to take you to a page where you're going to add a listing. Right here you'll see an existing listing that we already have. Now this is if you already have something in your account. If you don't, it would have a button here that would say add a listing. But I'm going to go back right here and I'm going to click on add another listing, because it will generate you to the same page. Now right here is where you're going to enter in this information. So we'll go ahead and enter the information in. Okay, and we'll enter in our address. And what you want to do is you enter in your address. This will bring up your actual map here, as you can see on the right hand side. And this is when people do searches. People will search specific zip codes, cities, and this will bring up businesses closest to them. I'm going to enter in the telephone number here, the local number, and our email address, website URL. Now this description would be also helpful as far as generating keyword searches. Okay, now categories are also going to be very useful for keyword searching. You don't necessarily need to choose their specific category. You can actually create some of your own. Okay. And sometimes it'll show some other listings here. We don't want to use those. We want to create a new listing, so we're going to click on Add Listing. We can put our operational hours here and then apply to all. It just changed them all to 6 p.m. And we can put our forms of payment. You can also choose a logo if you like. You can enter in a YouTube video. And here are some more categories. And these are also very helpful for search engine marketing, as far as people typing in keywords and getting your specific area. These terms are going to be very useful. Click Submit. Now it's going to ask to verify by phone. That's going to be much faster than doing a verification by mail. It's going to take 2 to 3 weeks by mail, and we'll do instantaneously by phone. You'll get a verification PIN number that you will go back and enter. So once this call will come through, come back to this page here. Now I'll be able to enter the PIN and click Go, and it will activate the listing. It may take a little while, and then it will come back to active. So, and that's how you set up a Google local listing. Thank you.